Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is Neo-Soul Guitar Series 1. We're talking about Bossa Nova groove. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, link in the description below. So, what are we talking about? Today I'll show you, it's really nice. And so on. We're gonna check out a really nice loop here and also talk about a few ideas for the melody. So let's get started. First, maybe talk about the sound settings. We're having an analog delay here to create this warm, creamy sound, and the chorus. And we're playing with fingerstyle guitar, but you can also do it, of course, with the pick if you want. But I guess you can play it more smooth with fingerstyle guitar. So the chords are D major 7, here 5, 6, 7, 7, and now here comes the pattern. You have to set the chord in a way that the high E string stays open, and you make 1 and 2 and then you go down with the bass here. And then you, with the thumb you go down, and with the rest you go up. That creates a really nice momentum. It looks really is not much movement here. Here's some movement, but it's really nice and laid back vibe here. Now we're going to E minor 9 chord. That one is like this. Here in the 5th fret, 7, 7 with, and again the high E string has to stay open, so you really need to put up the fingers, and then. And now that's a bit technical, a little bit demanding. You come here with the middle finger here in the 7th fret. And then you make the same pattern again. Okay. Then we're going to a A13 here. 5, 5, 6, 7, and again the open high E string stays open. And now the bass is making, now you just lift your index finger. It's really simple, but has such a nice smooth sound. And it comes from the open strings and by shifting the whole pattern. Now let's play it with the backing track. A nice Bossa Nova backing track works really nice with this genre. Really nice. Now let's talk about the melody, and maybe in this case I'm gonna switch off the chorus, but of course you can leave it. As I personally don't like chorus on melody, but that's just a personal taste. Now we want to play these really smooth and nice melody lines. We are in D major. So, how do we find the right notes for these smooth melody lines? That would be the 9 and the 13 in each case. So, on the D major 9 chord, the 9 is here the E and the 13 is the B. What you can do is, and also the major 7 is a really nice sounding note, and in this case this is C sharp. So you can take this triad here, the A over D. This is the summary of those notes. So you can play them like this. You just can noodle around and try to play it really smooth, pull off, or something like this. Works really nice on the D. On the E minor, you can take the D major chord. That's the summary of this is the 11. The A is the A minor 11. The F sharp is the A minor 9, and the D would be the flat 7. Works really nice. And coming to the A13, here we take the 13, that's the F sharp, and the B. You just play around those notes. I'll give a little example. Sounds really nice. If you want to add a little smooth run, I would say this one is really nice. I can make it nice with hammer on. Here in the D major scale here, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 8, 10. You can add this in between and then you work around those melody notes. So let's see how this works. Really nice. And so on. Really nice. Get inspired with these notes, try to play them as smooth as possible. It's quite related to smooth jazz, I must say. Even smooth jazz is more funky and this is more laid back and it's really nice. Yo, that was the first of the Neo-Soul guitar series here. I hope you liked it and hope you come back for more. I discovered that a lot of stuff which I'm doing, which is I always thought it's in between the genres and doesn't fit anywhere, that I found Neo-Soul. That's exactly what I'm doing all the time. So then I decided I will make more Neo-Soul stuff. It's really fun, it's smooth, it's melodic, and me and Dr. Pink are loving it so much. And by the way, this one is the color orange. If you want to check out Farbmusik, it's music related to colors. Anyhow, if you want to download the tabs of the stuff I was talking about, plus this really nice backing track, it's available in the HPCrazy guitar community. Please, the link is in the description below. Please join there and please make a premium membership in order to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community. And now probably some new people come in from the neo-soul genre. Yeah, that's all me and Dr. Pink have to say. See you guys.